Will dark clouds in Benidorm scare packed up terraces? Welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna, and welcome back to the sunny and gorgeous and lovely Benidorm town in Costa Blanca in Spain. Today we have quite a lot of ugly clouds right there behind the mountains. So far it is sunny by the beach, but these clouds are arriving slowly but surely. Let's see if upcoming weather will scare tourists away and what the terraces are looking like right now here in Benidorm, especially right on the Levante beach. Even in the city center, which is where we are right now, we are at the triangular square right by the techno hit, next to the old town and all the main shopping alleys by the Starbucks, by the way, the only one in Benidorm. Terraces are quite busy. There's plenty of people everywhere we go. Even though it's not weekend just yet, it's Wednesday when we film this video, and you'll see it probably with 2 hours difference from when we actually filmed it. But look at all these clouds. We don't think it will be raining. We do feel like clouds will arrive here shortly, and in the evening it will be cloudy. But we hopefully will not see any kind of rain in the area. So far, this is the atmosphere. The shops and businesses nearby, a lot of them are closed. Some less touristic ones, because it is midday. It's around 2:30 probably p.m. right now. Less than 3 o'clock, but this is when the siesta time comes. Spain and siesta is something really traditional. Here, we always have a Spanish siesta, like Zara shops open. I hate the worms that they did. Not sure what they intended to, like earthy probably. Maybe they've intended to do it as worms, but these like sculptures, they remind a lot like earthworms. Not sure why, but the decoration this year is quite curious. Let's just leave it at that. Although the clothes are absolutely stunning for this autumn/winter season. So Zara is open, Mango is open, but some of the places that are slightly smaller, authentic, traditional more or less, all these are closed for midday and will be opening back again starting from 5 p.m. That is the typical working hours here in Spain of different types of businesses. Although the vast majority of them are still open, hairdressing salons like these ones, lash extensions, manicure, pedicure, cosmetic shops, bars and cafeterias, obviously, and many more. Only a few, for some reason, decided to close down. Slightly quieter this area, especially on midday during siesta hours. Probably in the evening it will be way more occupied, way more busy than what it is right now. Children already finished school or are about to finish school. There's a private school right there in front, a semi-private one. Hence, people picked the children from school, so it's slightly less busy. The shopping alleys towards the old town, a little bit of people. The clouds right in front of us, probably they will arrive here in about 2 hours time, maybe if the wind is not too strong, 3 hours time, just in the evening, which is great because we're able to enjoy sunshine slightly longer than that. And we're heading full speed towards the Levante beach. Here you can see way more people on the terraces, way more people are grabbing some snacks. Many people, especially tourists, they tend to have a lunch, like a main meal on midday around 12:30. So by now, almost at 3 p.m., while it's when already people are getting hungry and are grabbing some tea or some coffee, some snacks, maybe something sweet, before they head to dinner at 5 or 6 p.m. Spanish, on the other hand, do not rush into things, and here we're used to have dinner slightly later in the day, which means that lunch for us is at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, more or less. That's more typical. At 5, we have a merienda, which is a snack and dinner is usually starting from 8 p.m. That's more or less how it works out here, and that is why you'll see plenty of people, those who are tourists, already with some snacks before evening meal. All the typical shops and Chinese bazaars and 24-hour supermarkets and tattoo shops are really, really busy right now. I feel like right now is the tattoo season. A lot of people come here in summer, but not a lot of them do actually tattoos because you cannot swim. It's difficult and slightly more dangerous that it will infect itself. The healing process is not as good as it is in the colder seasons. So now is when we see queues in the tattoo shops too. And this is our gorgeous Levante beach. There's quite a strong wind, you can see it. But there's still a green flag. Quite a few people on the beach. Look at that. It is nice. It is lovely. The wind is quite strong, but it's not hot wind, so it's good. Plenty of people on the promenade, plenty of people on the paid sunbeds. Wow. And on the other side, the typical part of the beach, free of charge, where you don't have to pay for sunbeds or umbrellas. Just the sand, you can lay down, and there's plenty of space nowadays. You can even grab a space on the front line of the sea. Look at this. This is just perfect. That's what we say. It's the best season to arrive here. No queues on the beach, no giant amounts of people. You can just lay down comfortably, quietly, right by the seaside. No one's laying down next to you like 50 centimeters away. There's plenty of space for everyone, which is the best part of it. The clouds are already getting closer to us. We'll see how this evening will continue. But they're all here already. Look at that. Quite some ugly clouds, I gotta say. And these ones are rain clouds. The ones that you see right there above the mountains, these are like rain clouds. So we will see how the day or the evening will turn into, what it will turn itself into. But so far, people don't care of all these clouds. While it is sunny here by the promenade, people are just enjoying as much as they can. And look at the terraces. These are as packed as we've not seen them since summer. Look at this. Oh, the city is packed up. There's some celebrations going on. Maybe bridal shower or divorce shower or birthday. Who knows? But there's some celebration groups out here. Quite a lot of people in the city bar. It's really popular. It has some nice deals, nice pricing. Hence, people always come here. Quite a lot of people. It's packed up. There's literally no free single space on the terrace to sit down. Wow. There's some music. It is a nice atmosphere. People like this place since it opened up. It's been really popular. By the promenade, plenty of tourists having walks. We see a lot of mobility scooters lately. A lot of even families with smaller kids, slightly outside of a school age. And overall, many people of all ages absolutely arriving to the area. Some people rent out bicycles, others own bicycles here. Those who are locals or people traveling with their caravans, for example, with their mobile homes. Campings will start to fill up with people from Norway, Netherlands, Belgium, France, and many other North European countries. For campsites right now is their particular summer season. We know campings in Altea with frontline sea views that are packed up and closed down in summer. So definitely different types of tourists are arriving to the region now, and bars start to be packed up again. After a couple of weeks of slightly quieter holiday, now it's all back to normal. Mostly adults or like younger generations, but no kids. This is the main difference with the summer season. Absolutely busy, totally busy with not a single table available. Terraces of your favorite bars. Many people are doing some walks even without sun hats nowadays. It's not necessary any longer. It is desired, but it's not necessary. Look at the wind. There's quite a strong wind here, right? At least for now. We'll see how it will go. But if the wind will keep blowing like this, shortly these clouds will be here. If it changes, maybe we'll even have a sunny evening and all these clouds will just go away somewhere else, as they typically do, and not come here to Benidorm. This is one of the best parts of living here and coming here on holidays. Benidorm has a special microclimate. It is surrounded from the sea from one side. There's a natural park right there in front of us. And on the back, we have the mountains. Hence, all the storms and clouds and all this worse weather, like bad weather, if you wish, always stays behind. Right on top of these mountains, just sitting on top of those and not going forward, not moving forward towards Benidorm. Which is why we're able to enjoy, even though there's still some slight wind, we are able to enjoy a sunny day here in our city. And it's more than 320 sunny days a year. Imagine that. Absolutely incredible weather. More or less, I would say 27, 28 degrees now. If you stay long enough on the sunshine, you might feel like it's plus 30. But overall, with the wind, around 27, 28, which is still ideal. And I've just spotted one thing. Where is it? I lost it. Oh, here it is. I've spotted this fast boat. Usually these boats are here to spot anyone who needs help. I wonder if something's going on at the beginning of the Levante beach, because they're going quite fast. They're going really, really fast with the boat. I wonder what's happening. But we don't hear any sirens. We don't see any ambulances, nothing. So maybe they just have to be there at that point. This is how Benidorm looks like right now. Absolutely packed up, overcrowded terraces. Hopefully, clouds will not spoil this incredible atmosphere.